We have seen how contamination occurs in foods. Let us see how to control microorganisms in foods. There are different methods to control the microorganisms in food. One of them is use of high temperatures. Exposure to heat leads to denaturation of proteins, which leads to the inactivation of enzymes which are required for metabolism. The heat treatment required to kill the microorganisms or their spores depends upon the kind of microorganisms, its physiological state, and the environment of heating. Moist food increases the effectiveness of heat, and the microorganisms are killed effectively in moist heat compared to dry heat. There are 2 points which are important. One is thermal death time and thermal death point. Thermal death time is the time taken to kill the microorganisms in a defined condition. And the thermal death point is the temperature that is required to kill all the microorganisms in a given time. The penetration of heat depends upon the material of the container, the size, the consistency of the material, initial temperature of the food. Foods like milk and peas should be heated to a limited extent so that undesirable changes in the color and palatability may be avoided. Whereas foods like corn and pumpkin can be heated to higher temperature. The various degrees of heating can be pasteurization, heating at 100 degrees centigrade and heating above 100 degrees centigrade. Pasteurization is done below 100 degrees centigrade. It kills the microorganisms partially. Usually milk is pasteurized at 72 degrees centigrade for 16 seconds. Ultra high temperature is used at 137.8 degrees centigrade just for 2 seconds. Other than this, the grape wine, ice cream mix and dry fruits also are pasteurized. Use of 100 degrees centigrade, usually blanching is done at 100 degrees centigrade where the vegetables are boiled. Canned foods, roasting meat and boiling at low temperature also reaches up to 100 degrees centigrade. Temperature above 100 degrees centigrade are usually achieved by autoclaving or use of steam. Milk can be heated at 150 degrees centigrade and cooled rapidly. And the other methods are canning, irradiation, by which the foods can be preserved or kept out of microorganisms.